Hey friends, have you ever been stuck in your life? क्या कभी आपको ऐसे लगा कि ज़िंदगी थम गई है और आगे कैसे बढ़ना है इसका हमको जरा भी अंदाज़ा नहीं है? Have you gone through a loss of a loved one? Are you undergoing some pain? क्या आप ज़िंदगी में आपके दर्द से जूझे हुए हो? क्या आपको ऐसे लगता है कि समय हर दर्द की दवा है? ऐसा नहीं होता. Time does not heal all wounds. There are some wounds that need to be looked into, addressed and probably given closure. कुछ ऐसे घाव है जो समय नहीं भर सकता और उस घाव की जो नेगेटिव एनर्जी है वो आपके शरीर के अंदर रहकर आपको अंदर से खोखला कर देते हैं और आप अपने जीवन में, भले वो आपका पर्सनल लाइफ हो या आपकी प्रोफेशनल लाइफ हो, इसमें कहीं ना कहीं आप रुक जाते हैं. तो क्या आप चाहते हैं कि ये जो दर्द है, ये जो ट्रॉमा आपने फेस किया है, इससे आप छुटकारा पाए सही मायनों में? डू यू वॉन्ट टू बी रिलीव्ड ऑफ योर पेन which you have been carrying for so many years? Sometimes you are not even aware that you are carrying this. Well, I am life designer Biji Tushar, a counselor and a psychotherapist and a certified life coach who is here to help you to overcome your personal pain so that you actually can fly towards your dreams and live that life which you have always dreamt for. Join me in a workshop where we will help you to go through the pain that you've been carrying for so long and help you to relieve yourself of the burdens that stop you from reaching your goal. So join me in this workshop. Yes, it's a powerful day and a powerful session of 3 hours where you will be the focal point and I'm taking only a few candidates to work onto them. Well friends, I am life designer Biji Tushar and I have had the opportunity of impacting the lives of 4 lakh people, and I invite you to this workshop so that you can get the benefit of my expertise in the field of self-healing and overcoming personal pain. Believe me, pain is a one-time thing. Suffering is optional and you need not remain in that state forever. Get up, buckle up, wipe your tears and face your fears. That's what I'm going to help you in this workshop. So click on the link below and register now. See you on the other side. I win when you win.